The hardest test in life is having the patience to wait for the right moment. Be patient. Sometimes you have to go through the worst to get to the best. Patience is bitter, but its fruit is sweet. One moment of patience may ward off great disaster. One moment of impatience may ruin a whole life. Be patient and tough. Someday this pain will be useful to you. Through patience, great things are accomplished. We could never learn to be brave and patient if there were only joy in the world. Things take time, so just be patient. The day you plant the seed is not the day you eat the fruit. A moment of patience in a moment of anger saves you 100 moments of regret. Be patient. Everything is coming together. Whatever you are waiting for is on its way to you. Patience and silence are two powerful energies. Patience makes you mentally strong. Silence makes you emotionally strong. Only those who have the patience to do simple things perfectly will acquire the skill to do difficult things easily. Everything will fall into place. You just have to be patient and trust the process. The ultimate mysteries are open to only those who have immense patience. Patience is a loyal friend that brings peace to any situation. To get what you love, you must first be patient with what you have. Patience is a necessary ingredient of genius. Patience can't be acquired overnight. It is just like building up a belief. Every day, you need to work on it. Learning patience can be a difficult experience, but once you conquered, you will find life is easier. Take up an idea, devote yourself to it, struggle on in patience, and the sun will rise for you. People think that patience is a sign of weakness, but this is a mistake. It is anger that is sign of weakness, whereas patience is a sign of strength. With patience, you grow, you heal, and shine. Be patient, good things will come. Not giving up requires a certain level of patience. Determination, patience, and courage are the only things needed to improve any situation. Patience is when you are supposed to be mad, but you choose to understand. Patience is not about doing nothing. Patience is about constantly doing everything you can, but being patient about result. Never give up on something you really want. It is difficult to wait, but it is more difficult to regret. Results happen over time, not overnight. Work hard, stay consistent, and be patient. Be patient. Everything comes to you in the right moment. Patience is the calm acceptance that things can happen in a different order than the one you have in mind. The best things in life come with patience. Be patient. Some things take time. The more you know yourself, the more patience you have for what you see in others. Patience is not passive. On the contrary, it is concentrated strength. Patience is a cure for everything. Patience is the key which solves all the problems. Patience is the ability to keep a good attitude while waiting.